Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your iPhone model and iOS version so you know the dynamic island features available. Once done, back up to iCloud or Finder to protect settings and data. Make sure low power mode is off and close running apps to free memory. This reduces interference. Now, restart the device by powering off and on. This first actionable step refreshes system processes tied to the dynamic island. Once your device restarts, address deeper causes. You can reset network settings to clear notification and connection glitches that affect the dynamic island. If problems persist, choose Reset All Settings to revert preferences while keeping data intact. This often restores expected behavior. Additionally, identify apps that pin content to the island and force quit or reinstall them to remove corrupted app states. These middle steps. Finally, update iOS to the latest release because software patches frequently fix dynamic island issues, then test behavior. If instability continues, perform a factory restore and then restore your backup, which clears deeper software corruption. Make sure to re-enable settings and monitor apps one at a time to identify a culprit. If you still see problems, use safe diagnostic sequences or contact Apple support. They can distinguish software faults from hardware defects and advise next steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.